Hey everybody, Vic Strisius here, and I'm recording this video to the entire 4% community. So if you're watching this, please take your time and watch this entire video to the very end, because this might be the most important video I will shoot, and an announcement I'm about to tell you might be the most important this year of 2019. So I'm recording this video for you. It's going to be very short, but it's going to be super, super important. For the first time ever, I am super excited to officially start talking about the rollout of the all brand new, reimagined, redesigned, completely built from ground up 4% 4.0, which is going to be a world-class, completely redesigned user experience, learning experience, community. We're bringing a lot of things together. But the reason I'm shooting this video for you is to talk to you about the big launch that we are preparing to go into, and that is about traffic generation, right? So we're about to launch Internet Traffic Academy. Now, let me tell you what this is, how significant this is for you, for the rest of the industry, and for everybody who's doing anything on the internet, whether they're in affiliate marketing, in network marketing, direct selling, e-commerce, doing consulting, agency, doesn't matter. The number one problem, the number one challenge that most of those people in all those industries and genres have in common is what? Traffic, right? And you can ask anybody at any time, in any industry, in any genre, they all say, my number one biggest challenge in business is how do I get more visitors, and how do I convert those visitors into leads and sales, right? Well, as you know, over the last year or so, we launched a product to teach traffic generation, and we called it Internet Traffic Mastery. Now, Internet Traffic Mastery, the reviews that we have been getting from it is absolutely phenomenal. We wanted to, come out there and we wanted to claim the territory of traffic and conversions in this industry, okay, as 4% from our company. And the reason for that is because I have been a student of traffic and conversions for the last 13 years now. My mentor said, Vic, there's only two things you can master, as an entrepreneur, which is how do you get traffic, how do you convert it into leads and sales? You will never be hungry. And he was right. I've dedicated over a decade of my life mastering this topic. And I can tell you this, we're among the best, if not the best, in the entire world when it comes to generating traffic, converting it into leads and sales. The way I approach traffic is completely different than anybody else will teach you on the internet right now. Okay, so I'll just pull up the stats here, and maybe we can pop them on a screen. But looking at the statistics here, just in the last 36 months alone, okay, just in the last 36 months alone, we have generated over 17,596,068 unique visitors just over the last 36 months. That comes out to about 488,000 unique visitors every 30 days, every month. Okay, that's over 16,000 visitors on average every single day. Can you imagine being able to generate over 16,000 visitors every single day for the last 3 years straight on average? That's significant. Now, that's obviously that generated tens of millions of dollars for what we do here. But the way that I generate traffic is I did not pay for all those visitors. Our approach is completely different. Over the last 10 years, I've created, if you are inside of the Internet Traffic Mastery, you know my approach. I've bought everything that I had I could get my hands on when it comes to traffic and conversions over the last, ever since I've discovered this concept of getting good and skilling up, in generating traffic. And I decided to become the best at it. And it allowed me to make a lot of money in the industry. As you're part of the 4%. I was able to dominate affiliate marketing. I was able to, be number one, income earner in virtually every single company that I've ever promoted as an independent affiliate. Okay, not because I'm somebody smarter, but because I was following a blueprint that I've developed for myself over the years on driving traffic and then converting that traffic into leads and sales. And now I have been teaching this kind of stuff over the last, probably several years ago. I had a company. It's no longer my company, but all we did was taught traffic generation. Now what we're doing is we're bringing back, because there's a great demand on traffic, right? So from 4%, especially with this 4% 4.0, we're claiming that territory, okay? And so we're launching out a product. It's called Internet Traffic Academy. This is not just a product. This is a completely different way that teaches people how to think and speak the language of traffic. This is unlike anything else in existence right now. And Internet Traffic Mastery, I'd like to show this to you. So it will live in the all redesigned brand new 4% 4.0, and Internet Traffic Mastery will become one of the 5 pillars that will constitute the Academy. Okay, so as you can see on the screen here, okay, so Internet Traffic Academy, this is the actual development site that we're about to launch out, and I would like to give you, okay, listen to me right now, I'd like to give you access to the entire Academy at no additional cost. Okay, let me tell you how we're going to do this. Okay, first and foremost, let me preface this by saying this: 4%ers, if you're watching this video, if you have been following my work, okay, you're not typical, and you should not see yourself and look at yourself as a typical person. You're the top 4% of the, of everybody else in the industry. See what I'm saying? That's the concept of a 4%er. To get to the top, you have to have certain skill sets in business, in marketing, promotions, and everything that, in between, right? So this is what we're teaching. I wanted to do something for our community, for 4% community, that will first of all help you achieve your goals in whatever it is that you're doing. You might be an affiliate entrepreneur, maybe you're going through the Success Challenge and you're promoting affiliate products, maybe you are doing e-commerce, digital agency, whatever you might be doing. You knowing how to drive traffic and how to build a list, how to communicate to that list, right? How to create your own tribe, it will be a non-negotiable skill. It's not something that you can outsource to anybody. So stemming from that mindset, stemming from that intent, right, I wanted to give you a gift that will change the rest of your business. And so here is what this is going to look like. When we launch Internet Traffic Academy, this is going to be a big public launch, okay? And Internet Traffic Academy will have 5 pillars. It will have Internet Traffic Mastery, and Internet Traffic Mastery, you'll get to learn how to drive unlimited traffic to any website, product, or offer. Okay? How do you get traffic? Now, Internet Traffic Mastery, currently we have that product, and we have been selling this product for $2,000. Right now, it sells on our website publicly on 4%.com for $2,000. Okay? And we have a lot of sales coming in. We have nearly 2,000 people that have purchased that for $2,000. What we're doing with that is we are upgrading Internet Traffic Mastery as a product in general as well. Okay, so we're not taking the existing Internet Traffic Mastery and then including that into the Academy. We're actually creating a brand new product. It's going to be about 30 to 50% new content, and we're including the most cutting edge, most potent, what's working now type strategies, practical ideas, how-tos, on how to drive traffic. So for example, I'll give you an example. Influencer marketing is a big thing, okay? And I'm teaching the entire blueprint of traffic generation that I have been following, but it's enhanced, it's improved, it's most cutting edge, it's what's working now, right now in 2019 as we, getting ready to the 2020. So another thing that's a huge addition to the Internet Traffic Mastery as a pillar will be this thing called intent-based marketing, okay, for search engines. So for example, when somebody goes to Google and they search for a laptop computer, right? Or they search for iPhone 11. That's a hot thing right now at the time I'm shooting this video for you. And they want to know a little bit about that, right? So what's their intent? Well, their intent is they want to either buy it, they're looking for what's available, so their intent is to get more information about that phone. Now, here is what you and I can do as marketers when you understand the strategy is huge. When that person, okay, does his searching on Google, we know that they were interested in an iPhone 11. When they go to YouTube, for example, or any other Google's networks, okay, do you know that I can pop an ad in front of that person? Let's say they're watching cats play or dogs sing or whatever, something completely unrelated, but because I know that they searched on Google 2 days ago or 2 weeks ago, I can put that ad for that iPhone 11 right in front of that user because I know their intent and what they did. Sounds creepy, sounds hokey, right? But it's available to us. So as marketers, when you understand how to do that, and this is just one of many, many things that we're adding inside of the Internet Traffic Mastery, you can be laser-like, right? So you're not